In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front license plate bracket on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located in the front bumper. Let's get into it. Remove the old plate bracket. Use a 10mm socket. Take these two screws out. Pull the bracket off. Now take the J-nuts, slide those on in place. If you need to, you can just squeeze them a little bit, make them a little tighter if they're a little loose. Those are slid in place. I'll line this up. Get the bolts started. And we'll snug this down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.